Welcome to Stratum.Viewer. In this quick tip video, we'll cover managing your favorite and recently used views. The Recent and Favorites functionality in Stratum.Viewer gives you the ability to tag your favorite views. Simply click the gray star next to a view name to make it a favorite. All your favorites get organized into a list within this window. The left side shows all views you personally designated as favorites, with the view we tagged as a favorite at the top of the list because it was just added. And the right side shows all your recently used views grouped together by this week, last week, and older. The rolling history of recent views is automatically generated for you. Most likely, the thing you'll do most often from this window is use it as a shortcut for running your most popular views, which can be done with a simple tap or click of its name. There's much more that can be done here. For example, rearrange favorites to put them in the order that makes the most sense to you, or mark a recent view as a favorite. Click the More button that's next to any view and you'll see a full list of things you can do with views displayed in this window. Things like opening your views in edit mode or removing views from either list. This concludes our look at adding views to your favorites list and using the favorite and recently used windows, a central spot for keeping tabs on views that are most important to you. To explore more videos and other helpful resources, check out the Stratum homepage and the Viewer online help.